So today's topic is types of motion. Clear? Generally, are you able to hear me? Okay. Types of motions. Okay. Okay. Today we will discuss about types of motion. There are generally three types of motion: translatory motion, second rotational motion, third oscillatory, or it is also called as a vibratory motion. Oscillatory motion, just write down. So let us once again repeat about the translatory motion. The motion in which whole body, the whole body moves from all the parts of the body moves same distance. Okay. So I'll erase here this one. So suppose this is a bus. This is the position A, this is the position B of the first point and last point of the bus. After some time it travelled and the bus reached here. The A point became A prime here, the B point became B prime here. That means the distance, whatever, how much A travelled, the same distance the B travelled. All the points of this body travelled equal distances. So that type of motion is called as a translatory motion. I repeat the statement, please, if you can note down. The motion in which all the points of the body or parts of the body moves equal distance is called a translatory motion. It is also called as a linear motion. Once again I am repeating. The motion in which all the parts of the body, all the points of the body travel equal distance is said to be translatory motion, or it is also called as a linear motion. I hope I am clear. Yes? Okay. Now this translatory motion or linear motion translatory or linear, this is of two types. One is rectilinear, second is curvilinear. What is rectilinear motion? Please note down. What is rectilinear motion. The motion in which a body travels in a straight path. Is called as a rectilinear motion. Hope I am clear. The motion in which the body travels in a straight path. Clear? Okay. Examples are a bus traveling in a straight path. Okay. Example, a carom coin on a board in a straight path generally travels. These are the examples of rectilinear motions. What is curvilinear? If The object travels in a curved path. The motion in which a body travels in a curved path is called as a curvilinear motion. Once again, I am repeating the definition. The motion in which a body travels in a curved path is called as a curvilinear motion. Clear? Example is the path of a javelin throw. The path of a javelin throw. The path played by suppose a bird is flying. Generally, it is not straight. It is a curved path. Clear? This is curvilinear. So once again, I am repeat the whole concept once again. Translated motion, the motion in which all the parts of the body travels equal distance, that is called as a translatory motion. It is also called as a linear motion. Okay. It is of two types. One is a rectilinear motion or curvilinear motion. Rectilinear motion means the body travels in a straight path, that is called as a rectilinear motion. Example, a bus traveling in a straight path, a cycle travels in a straight path. This is all example. Second case, that is curvilinear motion, the motion in which the body travels in a curved path. The path is not straight, I mean to say, path of a javelin throw. And example of other examples of bird generally flying. Okay, there wherever path is not straight, a car moving in a curved path. Okay, these all are curvilinear motion. Hope I am clear to everybody. Clear?